The producer of this set, where is Junior Pope?
You don't know me?
Who you be?
Okay, I don't know what TV. Come on,
Who you be? Who you be?
Take away.
So you should be impregnating people.
You don't give me belle. We met at the location ground.
Okay.
He said he was going to make me popular.
Okay.
He said he was going to take me through this industry.
Uh-huh.
That I should give him money. I gave him 1.5 my last cash. My last
Wait. Okay.
1.5 million.
Okay.
I gave it to him.
Okay.
Now he said I should come to this hotel room. I went to the hotel room. Not once, not twice. He has been sleeping with me. Now I'm pregnant for him.
This guy be like, you can't get one go chop.
No.
Bros, if to say you bet me before I marry, say I carry this guy party, I go still no agree.
My country people, from this video alone, you go confirm say Junior Pope was an intentional man. Like, he was so honorable. He didn't joke with his wife at all. So basically, these people pranked him. This was an expensive prank anyways. They pranked him with this girl. They met him on location, accusing him of impregnating this girl. That's what the man para say. On a normal day, even before I marry, if they bring this girl come and tell una say I impregnate them, say why una go believe? He talk say no be this kind meat way he dey eat. Say he no dey eat bone at all, na flesh he dey eat. Hello. This video sweet me, I no go lie. In loving memory of Junior Pope, as I saw the video, I said no, I need to share. I need to bring him to the headquarters so my people go see him. So watch this video till the very end. Don't skip any part. The ending part of this video will shock you. Like, you watch this video and you'll just be smiling. You'll just be remembering Junior Pope. So this video is in loving memory of our honorable Junior Pope, who lived to please his family. Let's go.
Tommy, where is the producer of this set? Hey, come here. Where is the producer of this set? Where is Junior Pope? Oh yeah, pick him! Pick him! Pick him! Are you not?
Why will you come to my set?
I was looking for the producer of this set and you kept quiet.
What's your problem?
What's my problem? You asking me what's my problem?
Yes, what is your problem?
Okay, fine. I will explain my problem to you. Wait, let me explain my problem to you.
Who are you?
See, my name is Commander Skeske, Master Planner. You understand? The matter be say this girl bring matter on my table, which I know they like take on as a joke.
Which matter?
This is not my sister. They follow me do that nonsense because they're a celebrity. I cannot shout on me. Say, are you here to obey me? I said, take this man away from here. I can walk you. Don't try it. Don't try it. I'm telling you, don't try it. Take this man away from here. Take Junior Pope away from here. Are you recording this guy? I said, move it.
Get out of this place.
Do you know the wait.
Take him away.
They say take you away. You begin take away. What happened? You don't know me?
Who you be?
Okay, I don't know what TV. Come on,
Who you be? So you should be impregnating people.
You don't give me belle.
Do you know her or not?
How much did you give me?
Do you know her?
Who be there? I go know this one.
Do you not know her? Okay, now what thing they tell us? You know now. Wait, not be Junior Pope, not be tell me say give you belle.
Nah him.
I give you belle.
Nah him.
How much?
Wait, how much to give her? Hey! Hold that guy! Stop that one! Hold that guy! Hold him! Hold that guy! Hold that guy! Don't tell me to calm down! Don't tell me to calm down! Producer, don't tell me to calm down! Get them out! Get them out! You can wait! You want to tell me this, man? You want to tell me this, man? You get that man! Hold that man! Hold that man!
Bros, wait, I know they go anywhere.
You go somewhere. You follow me. Where? I'm interrupting yourself because you don't know yourself. You don't know yourself. You saw me.
He said I will be.
I'm hearing you.
Let me ask a question.
Yes.
Sorry, I heard you say pregnant. What pregnant? What? No, wait, that's the understand.
Are you to push me?
I don't understand.
Are you trying to say you don't know this?
Are you aware I am a married man? Are you aware?
Okay.
Of course.
You don't know
that doesn't mean that you are telling me that you don't know this girl.
Wait,
I want to ask a question. We met to talk.
We met at the location ground.
Okay.
He said he was going to make me popular.
Okay.
He said he was going to take me through this industry.
Uh-huh.
That I should give him money. I gave him 1.5, my last cash. My
Okay.
last money.
Wait. Okay. Wait.
1.5 million.
Okay.
I gave it to him.
Okay.
Now, he said I should come to this hotel room. I went to the hotel room. Not once, not twice. He has been sleeping with me. Now I'm pregnant for him.
Wait now, wait, you don't go talk.
How many times does it knock you? Wait, is it how many times? Can you hear yourself? Now see.
Wait, at least you go see here from her now.
Okay, fine. Okay,
Calm down, sir. This guy come for you, no. This guy be like who get 1.5 million. You know, no, number one. Number two, this guy be like he can't get one go chop.
No.
Bros, if to say you bet me before I marry, say I carry this guy party, I go still no agree. You cannot chop this.
You know if you don't reach station, you go explain what you dey explain so. Okay, you go come here. You go come. You forget that Benide. You go come over here. Yes. We will take him away, then you come and meet him at the station. Yes.
We will allow him go.
Yes.
We will allow him go.
Come commander.
You know they call anybody for here. You know they call anybody. Don't call anybody. Why would you have to call? Don't call anybody. Don't call anybody. Don't lie to call anybody. Don't lie to call anybody. Don't lie to call anybody. Don't call anybody. I'm telling you. Don't call anybody.
Bros, respect. You dey hear me?
Yes, they will come to the station. So just go inside the car. Go inside the car. Don't call anybody. I'm telling you. Don't call anybody. I'm telling you.
I will make calls.
Don't call anybody.
I will make calls.
Take this man inside. Take this man inside. Take this man inside. Don't call anybody. I said don't call anybody. I'm telling you. Don't call anybody. I'm telling you. Don't try me. Don't try me. You have to break my head. You have to break my head. Follow me. Follow me. Let me tell you something. Let's go.
You know I can sue you for this, Abi.
You want to sue me?
You know I can sue you for
No,
this.
you want to sue me.
I can sue you for
You want to sue me? Do you know what happened? Do you know what happened?
It's okay.
No wahala.
I don't know what make na Prañk. Man, I not make.
This prank was expensive. If no person will trust himself, now so he go they shake. They say, I don't enter into Kolo. But see, as my guy enter boss, I be moto without any, he trusts himself. He no say I no do anything. Waiting he talk for this video at last. He talk say, see, I'm a very honorable man. I respect my wife so much. I know since I married, I never cheat on my wife before. So when una come carry police abi me, I say, sure, I no do anything, make we go anywhere. Say I go prove myself, I no be cheat. How many of una favorite go fit pass this kind prank? See the way my man just balance for inside motor. Make you hear wetin he talk.
Yeah, sorry, sir. It's a prank, sir.
I am a law-abiding citizen.
Yes, sir.
And I am a married man.
Yes, sir.
Ever since I got married, I never sleep with another woman.
Yes, I believe.
So when you came, I was, come on, man.
Let's go.
Come on, now, let's go.
Thank you very much, sir.
I go make call, I go come back.
Yes, sir.
Let me be.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Chai, this video sweet me, I no go lie. This video reminded me a lot about late Junior Pope. What? God knows the best. Indeed, his wife married a very honorable man. Person where you go dey proud of. My God. Where wanna they see this guy man? Hey. Like say this video no sweet. I know say as you dey watch him now, so he dey shine teeth, they laugh. God bless Junior Pope. May his gentle soul continue to rest in perfect peace. Amen. Please, guys, as you dey watch my video, please click the link on my bio. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Support your girl. As I dey make you laugh, as they make your body tutorial. Beg, the only thing you owe me is just to support me by clicking the link on my bio and subscribing to my YouTube channel. See you guys on my next episode. If this is your first time coming across my page, you're welcome. My name is Gist TV. Do well to like, comment, share my videos. They give me one kind of encouragement to continue. Stay safe out there. See you guys on my next episode. Oh yeah, now. Bye.